Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're well. In the last video that I've posted, we spoke about what is mental health and what is meant by the term mental health. And I promise that in the next episode, we're going to look at the facts and the myths that are associated with mental health. Now, the first one, it says mental health problems are real. It is not like that, guys. Mental health problems are common and they affect anyone regardless of their culture, regardless of their age, regardless of their background, regardless of their religion, regardless of their race, whether you're black or you're white. You go through mental health challenges or you go through mental health issues. The second myth that we're going to discuss now, um, people often believe that, or they think mental illness is a sign of weakness. No, 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 no. It is not a sign of weakness. It is not a sign of weakness. Mental health, it is a health condition that is influenced by biological factors, psychological factors, as well as social factors. It is not a sign of weakness. It doesn't necessarily mean you are weak simply because you're going through mental health issues. No, guys, stop saying people are weak simply because they're going through mental health issues. Myth number 3. People often assume that if you talk about your mental health problems, you're going to make things worse. But I believe that it is not like that. We need to open up. We need to talk more about mental health issues so that we can reduce the stigma, so that we can support those people who are going through the mental health issues or problems, so that we can support them, give them the support that they need, so that we can also understand what they are going through, so that we'd be able to empathize with them rather than feeling pity for them. Myth number 4. Mental health only affect adults. Guys, I think I spoke about this before, even in the previous video, that children and teenagers, they also go through mental health challenges or problems. It affects everyone regardless of their age, regardless of their gender, whether you're male or female. Also, men go through mental health issues. Women also, they go through mental health issues. So yeah. Myth number 5, and the last one for the day. People often assume that going for therapy or going to therapy is a sign of weakness. For me, going to therapy, it is a sign of strength. It shows that you are self-aware. Yeah. So guys, you know what? Let's normalize going for therapy. The same way we have normalized going to a doctor when we feel sick should be the same way we go to therapy when we feel overwhelmed. So mental health matters. Let's go to therapy when it's needed.